Howdy, sub-tubers. We're going to do an unboxing, all right? I got me a SECURA 6-in-1 electric pressure cooker, 6 liters, all right? Now, never got to use it yet, so let's see what's inside. Opened it for Christmas just to look in it. Beauty. Wow. Got a spoon. Cup. Let's see. Oh boy, that's big. That was a big box, man. Now, comes with a cord. So that's cool. And then right in here, see if I can make it any bigger. Oh, I can't zoom in and out of this mode. All right, so right here we have display time, warm, start, cancel. They're all like little press buttons. Pressure cooking, steam, slow cook, rice, browning, and soup. So that's cool. So to unlock this, oh, and there it is. So there's the little mechanism in there that lets you know if there's too much pressure. So that's cool. That's the adjustment. Awesome. So to open lid, that's what it, open lid up here, that's what it says. Gives you the 2 places to put everything. So anyway, let's see what else is in here. Nice. Not pretty. Look, you can see the camera inside. Awesome. Oh, and there it is, the heating element. That's all it is, really. Nothing more, nothing less. I'm going to have to read the directions, but I'm super excited that we get, and this is what we're going to do first. I'm going to put a ham in there. I'm going to ask my wife if I should actually cut this up into a few big chunks and put it in. Plus, a lot of veggies. So, that's the name of that tune. Put this here. Now she's locked up again. And that is my SECURA 6-in-1. It does the pressure cooking, steaming, does soup, browning, rice, and slow cook. And then you can set, oh, right in here too. So there's your timing set, right here and right there. And then your start and your cancel. Nice. All right, guys. I'm going to show you what our first meal is going to be when it's all ready to go. Let me read the directions and have fun. Kiss, love, a vet when they're down and out. All right? Because when they're up, they take care of us. Take care.